Today we're about to do the front bumper on the 2021 Dodge Durango, and we're about to do the grill and the headlight. Those are not gonna be how-tos. I already did those. I'm just gonna slap them on. All right, so with the bumper, we're about to remove first. All right, let's get it. If you have this license plate, don't worry. You could just take it off with it. If yours is here, just don't worry about it. So we might have to take that off because I see it screwed to the bumper. Alright, so first things first. Alright, so we gotta remove these 8 here. 8 here. There's this rivet looking thing here, and there's one up here. We have to tap that out in the 10 mil. Both sides. Under the 10 mil. Remove those 10 mils. 10 mil, 10 mil. Yeah, definitely. Plate coming out. All those 10 mils gotta get removed. And there's a rivet here too. See that? You have to remove those. Got this mini stubby 8 mil. Take this off. I definitely could use my electric drill. Let me do that because it's too much time. All right, much better. Stick this now. Cool. This one right here, probably not. Okay, that. Now I'm gonna take like maybe a chisel or something and just pop that out, or use one of these. Pop this out. Just pop that. If you don't have a new one, make sure you have a new one before you remove this. If you wash this before you remove it, then no, you're gonna need another one. I have plenty. I'll be good. Okay, this one up here. Make sure you be careful. Don't scratch the plastic. I'll probably scratch it a little bit. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, now 10 mil. All right. Now, same thing with the other side. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it's the same thing. Same exact thing. Okay, now we have to pry this back off the bumper. Be careful, don't break it. Just pull on it. Oh, not too bad. If you have to, bring this out. Maybe probably put a rag there so you don't have to scratch it. I don't want to scratch it, so let me try to pull this. Okay, let's use a rag. Let's pop this out. Alright, don't pop it all the way, just a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Alright, now same thing with the other side. I'm not showing you that side, like I said, because the same thing, literally. Alright, that's popped. Other side's popped. Now let's move these right here. I'm using one of these to get to there, like get behind here, right here, right behind there. Don't go over here. You're gonna scratch the bumper unless you don't care about your bumper or you're replacing the bumper. You could do from here, but I'm gonna do here because I don't want to scratch the bumper. So I'm gonna go here like this, bang it with a hammer so I could take that off. Okay, once you do that, let's remove this off the here. I'm gonna have to take off the headlight, so this whole plastic piece coming off. So if you're not taking off the headlight, you can bypass this. We have to take off the headlight and the bumper. Take these off. It's just easy pop and pull. Bang. And bang. Okay, it's like that. All right, so I'm not trying to take the whole thing off. I could just put it like that. Make a put a bungee there. I'm gonna do it for both sides, so I don't have to remove the whole thing. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Okay, now you gotta go in here. I'm using this. You can use whatever you want. Flathead. Go in here and just pop this up. Pop it up. Okay. Okay, a little snug on it, a little pull. This one should pop out over here. Put your hand here and just pull on it. Okay. This trick. Push the bumper up, pull it up, and pry it out. Let me show you. Okay, so instead of just pulling on it like that and risk of damaging the snapper, I guess you call it. So you pull on the bumper up, push up on it, and pry it out. It should be easier. Just like that. See? Just like that. Boom. Okay, now let's remove this bumper. Watch out for these. There's gonna be a connector there. Take it off. And yeah. Make sure nothing's holding it back. All right, so if you dolo doing this, make sure you don't pull on it. Look at that. This side over there, that's good. This side, you need to remove this connector off. Okay? Or you will mess up the connector. So pull this off, and you're gonna have to pull this off too. That one, you have to remove this whole wire. You see this wire? All the way to the other connector. Alright, so, or you could just leave the bumper on. You don't have to remove this thing. But if you're taking the bumper off, you have to remove these. Okay, this connector off here. Pull down. And take it off. Okay, so since I'm not replacing this bumper, I am not trying to do all these connector things going to the other side. Because all I need to do is remove this grill and remove the headlight and put the bumper back on. So I'm gonna just remove some of these here so I can get some room to put it to the side, the bumper. So I get behind here and replace the grill. That's the grill we're gonna replace it with the OEM. We're gonna have to swap some parts over to that, and yeah, this whole piece gotta come out. This whole piece. Okay, so we're gonna need some Torx for this one up here, and a lot of pulling to put this on. You see, a lot of pull-ins. Put that on. Okay, do that. Let me get those parts. Okay, so the corners are T15. Right here, these little silver ones. Okay, don't lose that. I think they all might be T15s. Like this one right here, T15. Yep, T15. Yes, we have to transfer this over to the other one, which is aftermarket. It's not, this is OEM. If you want to put this badge back on, you're gonna have to like pry this out and put it in a new one. But we're not. They do not want it back on. So I'm not gonna really show you this whole process, well, taking this off, because come on, it's pretty easy. Just take off this right here, and you gotta basically pull this out. See these things? Try to pull it out. All right. So to pry this grill out, you're gonna have to leave something here and try to pry these things off. You see this? You just have to get out the way. In these, same thing here. See that? All these have to try to pop out. Okay. All right. So the grill is out. Now you have to remove this frame off this thing, so you can put it on the new one. All right. So let me do that. It's just you gotta pop these off, man. Pop these off while pushing up on the grill, so it's easier to pop off. Okay, the trim is off. Jeez, took some time, but we took it off. Now we have to take this and put it on the other one. Forgot we have to remove this thing over here and put it on the new one, because the new one doesn't come with these things for the screws. So just take a plier and just pry that thing out and pop it in the new one. Now let's remove this headlight. Pretty easy. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, and pull it out. I'm gonna show you one side. I'm not showing you the passenger, because it's the same thing over here. Okay, so I already took off the bottom ones, bottom two. Do the top. Side. It's out the way. Now should come out. Pop out. Lift this up here, up. You see my fingers? That. Now get behind it is a connector, a gray connector, simple, and a black connector. That one you have to pull back. So get a flathead to pull it back. Let me show you before. I hear people complaining. Oh, why you didn't show me? Why didn't show the connector? Meanwhile, you had it right in front of you. But anyways, let's we gotta pry this back. See this? Pry it back like that. Don't pull on the wire. Okay? It's a little stuck. I'm gonna use two hands. You get the point. Take this out. Alright, so the headlights are back on, both sides. There you go. So I don't think I showed how I put it back on, but we took it off. Same way we took it off, put it back on. Same thing. So now everything's all done and set. Now we gotta put the bumper back on. Okay? So make sure when you put up the bumper, you plug in this first, the parking light. And this is I think the fog light. Make sure it's plugged in. So you ain't trying to take off this bumper again. Make sure everything's plugged. All right. So yeah, let's put this back on. Let's put it back on. As you see, the lights are done. Did that. Did the grill. You're gonna see the grill after I put it on. Totally different. Okay. Some people do it. Because I know the charge. Alright, let me stop talking. Let's put this on.